Welcome back to the channel. This is Fisher. We got Charlie here as well. We're back. We're in South Dakota for the Jeep Camp 2026 event. We're going to be taking off real soon now. We got us all lined up front to back, a whole bunch of Jeeps. Jeeps as far as the eye can see. So we're going to be getting ready to go try out the cereal bowl, soup bowl, cereal bowl. We're going to try the cereal bowl out, and then we're going to see what we can get up to.
We're driving Josh's, our boss's JT here. We have 488 gears, locked front to rear, and we're on 40s and long arms. Best you can get.
And then we got the very secret Jeep. So if you don't know about this Jeep, we got a couple things they're going to be testing out on this one. See what they hold up to, see what abuse we can throw at them, and get it done.
Hey everyone, we just got to the trailhead here. We have a really good sized group. I'm super excited to jump into this. We have Ty here, and he's going to lead us off. What do you think?
So we've got, like you said, a pretty big group. I actually couldn't count past 10, so I'm really impressed we have that many just Jeep guy stuff. We're actually at Cereal Bowl. Cereal Bowl consists of 3 main trails. We've got Fruity Pebbles, Got Milk, and Captain Crunch. Now, Captain Crunch we're going to avoid. That one is gnarly. I definitely say it's like buggy only level. I've seen some full rigs going there, but they come out looking like a crushed up beer can. So
yeah, I kind of want to stay out the paint job this time.
Yeah. Well, that's okay. We'll try. But we're gonna hit the Fruity Pebbles trail. This one, we're gonna run the 2 main creek beds, and we're gonna get up into one of the boulder fields. There's 2 boulder fields. We're gonna stick to the lower one, just because that bigger one, they got some big old rocks up there that are known to slash tires. And I don't know if you guys remember the Iron Rock video with Patrick, but they got a kind of a track record with tires, so we'll stick to those.
All right, sick.
Yeah.
So like trail rating wise, what does this really lead to?
Yeah, I always kind of said it's like a 6+. Some people might say it's a 7, but it's getting up there. It's definitely a lot of fun. Big boulders, the boulder field's cool. Kind of get through there. You see why the trail got its name of Fruity Pebbles.
All right, that makes sense.
Got Milk, what we'll hit a little afterwards. That one's more of like a 5+. You got some really cool obstacles, and then one iconic one right at the end. So,
all right, sweet.
Yeah.
And then you're leading us off in this thing?
Yeah, this is my 87 YJ on 2022 Jeep 392 axles, the Rubicon axles, and it's got a 4-link in the rear, 3-link in the front, Radflow coilovers, no hydro assist yet. I've discovered I actually need that. It'd be helpful, but yeah, this thing, it's been a work in progress over the years, and now that we've got it all together, we're gonna give it a rip.
Sick. I love to see this thing out there. Can't wait to get more footage on it and see how you wheel this thing.
Yeah, me too.
All right.
Love the XJ.
Thanks.
Hey, Evan.
So Bill's Jeep, 4-cylinder TJ, just has a 4-cylinder and I think 33s on it. This is his son Ike, also in a TJ. 33s, Ike? 33s, but no 4-cylinder, right?
No, this is a 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Power that way, Fast and Furious.
Even with 33s, making it look easy. All right, Chevy, what happened here?
Looks like he got hung up on some rocks on his shocks, lower shock mounts. Yeah, we're gonna pull him backwards a little bit.
There we go. This TJ is a 4.7 V8 with a manual transmission. The loose rocks on the trail just make it extra difficult.
Towards us. Come towards me. Help. We're committed.
We're committed.
It's gonna scratch one way or the
Yeah.
other.
Watch yourself.
With those rocks down there by the back tire, that should help the back climb up and on those rocks and push the top of the Jeep away from the tree.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right. Bill's pushing, Chevy's pushing. And it's clear of the tree, it's not rubbing.
Hold up.
Oh, it's just gonna have a nice, like, tiny scent.
Hey, everybody, thanks a lot, guys.
Sorry, boss.
We got Ty, Chevy, Bill, Denver. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Awesome.
Hey, are the lockers on?
Say,
Jeepin'.
This side's spinning now, but not that one. That was just a rock. This about turned into a really long day. Oh, there it goes.
Gladiator makes everything look easy.
It really does.
So wrapping up day one, we managed to go through the entire cereal aisle. We hit the tricks, we hit the cereal bowl, we hit Fruity Pebbles. We've been through a whole bunch of trails today. It was a really great experience. The scenery is amazing and everything else went great. The rigs performed great. We had to use the skids a couple times, but that's why they're there. So thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. See you tomorrow.